Hi everyone, my name is Zach Parkhill and I'm from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. I'm a really avid hunter and fisherman, and if you are too, I know you're going to enjoy checking out everything we packed into 1 week up in Petersburg, Alaska. My brother and I visited Green Rocks Lodge last May. We were there the last week of May and had the absolute trip of a lifetime. There is so much to do at Green Rocks Lodge, I promise you, you're not going to want to sleep a minute. Check it out.
We're reporting in day one from the huge airport. Right over there, we can see Petersburg proper.
This is, we're finally happy to be done with traveling and start some hunting and fishing. Tim, the lodge owner, is going to be here any minute to pick us up, and we're going to kick this thing off right. So we'll check back in once we have some action. Okay, it's 4 o'clock in the morning. On Sunday, just arrived yesterday. In the morning, it's just perfect. Water's glass. There's the lodge.
It's pretty light out here. Guess we'll have to get up earlier tomorrow.
Yeah, I think 3:45 was a little too late.
Yeah.
We're giving up too much daylight. There's an eagle. Oh. But
the lodge was awesome. They've set up the boat for us down there, ready to go.
There it is. Oh, there it is. And I'll give you a quick look at the place we're staying. That's the new cabin they're almost finished with. That's the smaller one. And that's home for us. Sometime I'll take you a quick video and show you that. But for now, we're heading that way. We'll see you later with more fish. Well, here we are on the second morning, and we're halfway to Level Island. There's Alex. We figured we had to stop and take some video. This is probably one of the best mornings we've seen up here. Just perfect. Nice and calm.
Take a listen real quick.
We had a beautiful an awesome day yesterday. Yesterday was the first full day. That's Level Island. That's why they call it level, because everything else is very steep around here and there's nothing but level trees there. A little different than those big mountains. But we caught our limit of halibut by 8:30 yesterday. So we got up around 3:30 or 4, but it was worth it. We caught a 45-pound halibut. That was the biggest. And the 3 others were, a little smaller, but this guy right here caught his first king salmon. He was trolling and caught a nice little king.
Wild fight, scales everywhere.
We got this boat covered with halibut, blood and goo, and salmon who've been doing all kinds of stuff, and actually almost killed a bear yesterday. We were driving back over to catch our crab pots, and we saw a big bear. We got on shore. We almost got a shot, but a tugboat came by and scared the bear away. But anyway, we got a bunch of crabs. We got our limit of crabs, big Dungeness crabs. We're allowed 6 of those a day. We caught even more than that. And we got some shrimp as well out of our shrimp pot. So anyway.
We'll sign off for now. We got work to do.
Yep. See you later. Yawning.
Couch potatoes of the sea.
Yeah, these guys are lazy. Just waking up. We got up 4 hours ago. How about that? Nice crab, Petersburg, Alaska, baby.
Zach and Alex Parkhill out of Green Rocks. Zach has been pulled around. Our boat's being manipulated by this monster down here.
We're expecting a halibut to come up. Maybe he'll take us ashore.
Pulling the whole boat. Oh my.
You get close, let me know, Zach. Oh. Alright. Zach, I'm thinking about signing off so I can get that harpoon.
Yep.
Yep.
So not too many animals in the sea have rampant fur around them. This guy we found has a nice coating, keeping himself warm, I guess. He really doesn't like being poked in the belly. Oh yeah.
This was in our shrimp pot. It was down about 100 feet of water. Got some nice shrimp actually. Want to grab one, Alex? Check that out. That's a shrimp. Cool. Okay.
This guy goes back. Yeah, I'm gonna have him for dinner.
It's the last night, and we're scanning for bears. We've seen 2 bears on this one stretch. So we're sitting in our boat, literally lounging out, scanning this shoreline. Over the last few days, we had chances at bears. Right over there. They walked right out. We got up on shore. Just couldn't get a shot because of a few different things. Some boats came by. And the one bear just went away before we could get a shot. But tonight's the night. So we'll check back in once we shoot one. Well, unfortunately, our big bear didn't show that final night. Although, that would have just been icing on the cake. That was truly a magnificent week. One that I'll never forget. It was just an awesome time to spend with my brother. And I know I'd love to repeat it in the future. It's now 8 months later, and I'm actually still eating like a king because of all the halibut, salmon, and crab's legs we brought home. If you're considering a trip to Alaska, I'd encourage you to check out Green Rocks Lodge. I know you won't be disappointed. I'll leave you with a few of the extra pictures from our trip that I didn't get a chance to toss into the video. Hope you enjoyed it, and hope to see you up at the lodge this year.
Yep. This is Alex Parkhill and Zach Parkhill staying at Green Rocks Lodge, and we're trying to get this big butt off the floor.
Thanks, Green Rocks. Trip of a lifetime.